So my assigned problem was Unit 5.4, equations and lines. The problem is a student has drawn, well, actually, no, you can read it. So consider L1 with equation y equals 2x plus 2 and L2 with equation y equals negative 1/4 x plus 1. The gradient is the m value, y equals mx plus b. So for L1 it would be y equals 2x plus 2, so that's the m value is 2, just as in the equation for L2 it is negative 1/4 or negative 0.25, m being calculated by calculating the difference in y values over the difference in x values. Alright, and so which of these two lines has the student drawn correctly? Never mind, incorrectly, sorry. So if we calculate the difference in x over the difference in y over the difference in x for L1, we get negative 2 over negative 1, or just 2, which is correct. And going on to L2, if we calculate the difference in between y over the difference in x, you get negative 1 over 2, which is negative 0.5, which is wrong. So the answer to B is L2. So we can tell that this m value is wrong because in order to make a right angle, one of the line gradients must be opposite to the other. So therefore the right answer here is the m values that I've put in section B, because positive or 2 over 1, just 2, is opposite to negative 1 over 2, or negative 0.5. So draw the correct version of the incorrectly drawn line. Did that right there, and you can see it intercepts the x-axis at 4 and the y-axis at 1. And next problem, number 2. The following diagram shows points P, Q, and M. M is the midpoint of PQ. There we go. Write down the equation of the line PQ. So following the y equals mx plus b, y equals negative x plus 2. Just from looking at it, we can tell it has a negative slope, and the b in this situation is the y-intercept, which is 2. Write down the equation of the line through M, which is perpendicular to the line PQ. To do this, all we have to do is make the opposite equation. Y equals x minus 2 will give us a perpendicular line. Thanks. Bye, everyone. I hope that you learned stuff.